Assalamu alaikum, my dear lovely and wonderful viewers. How are you doing today? Today, in this video, I would like to ask a question. The question is, are you practicing your English every day? If the answer is yes, you are most welcome. You are doing the right things. You are practicing your English every day with your partners. One day, you will be a successful speaker. Others can praise you. Don't worry about your mistake. On the other hand, the person who didn't start their spoken journey are wasting their time in vain. If you are one of them, you should not do it. Start your spoken journey at once. Time is very precious for you. If you don't practice your English every day, you can't be a good speaker. Why you are spending your time in vain? You can start your spoken journey and you can practice your English every day with your partner. One day you will see your result. How fluent speaker you will be in the future. Don't worry about your mistake.